Are you eating your toast? Well, I don't think they would taste very good. Are you eating your toast? Yucky. Dirty toes. Are you eating your toes? Are you going to be a gymnast? Are you eating your toes?